Hello folks, I am Ratheesh and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about OnePlus 8T unboxing and its first impression. So let us start. So tada! This is my brand new OnePlus 8T. We are gonna clear this out and we are gonna see this unboxing. Let us start. I'm just opening the seal. So strong. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So my variant is OnePlus 8T and I have bought OnePlus 8T Luna Silver and its RAM is 8GB and ROM is 128GB. So that is the variant. I have bought it in off-the store with a better deal. I'm so excited. So here we are having Neversettle as a theme and I'm going to take my first OnePlus ever brand. Luna Silver. Oh my god, this is very weightless. It's very watery. So cool. And the matte finish of this Lunar Silver is really great and it's very classy and it is very elegant. Besides, it is also like it won't capture our fingerprint when we use. So this is very comfortable and the phone is very compact and even though the size looks large, but it's very sleek and it's very elegant. So before that, you will also see what else are inside this box. Okay, now oh my god, we have few things like we have OnePlus invitation letter, we have SIM adapter. And we have something in return. No, we'll do that later. We have some quick start guide. And we have Red Cable Club membership. And that's it. It all started with the first Red Cable.
என்ன சொல்லி வித்த கேள்வி எல்லாம் கேட்கப்படாதா கேட்லாக் கொடுத்துக்கறாங்க. டேய் இதுக்கு பேர் கேட்லாக்கா எலி மருந்து சீட்டு மாதிரி இருக்குடா. இந்த பாரு இப்போ உனக்கு என்ன வேணும்? எனக்கு விளக்கம் சொல்லணும். இத படிச்சு பாத்தியா? அது வந்துட்டடா வந்து.
Okay, and yeah, OnePlus stickers we can stick it in the gadgets. That's it. And some lot of things are added with this value safety information. That's it. And including with these phone, we have also got a silicone pouch of which is very flexible and durable with its never settle watermark. And here out the main theme, so which is USB Type-C port where we have an fast charging which we can charge our entire battery within less than 40 minutes. And beyond it, we also have this charger which is, I'm new to it, which is wrap charger which has a power of 65 watt power supply. Thank you people. and do subscribe to my channel for latest tech update and educational content.